So here we have the Mercedes-Benz A180 on a 65 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But from the outside you can see that it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels. Let's start off inside the boot and then work our way around the rest of the car from there. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have plenty of boot space along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat should you wish to increase this space even further. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back round to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But now that we've done a full circle of it, you can see it's in excellent condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's where we're seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the speedometer and the fuel gauge, and over on the right-hand side, the rev counter and coolant temperature gauge. In the middle, you can see the total miles of this car. They are 83,321. You can change the information displayed there by using buttons on the steering wheel for various different bits of driving data and fuel economy, including having a digital readout for the speedometer displayed. And you can do that using the buttons just here. We have stereo controls and phone controls over on the right hand side, and the main stereo itself is over in the center and includes satellite navigation, as you can see. All of the controls for the stereo are on this dial and on this system here as well. So for example, if I press the radio button, you'll see we're now on the radio or audio menu just there, but you can move around using the dial that I mentioned just a moment ago and highlight your telephone. Vehicle systems, you can go down to the bottom here and change from FM to medium wave and short wave as well. Very easy system to use. And as I say, ultimately you can go through all of the options using the buttons just here. So you can pair your phone, you can go to your satellite navigation, for example, you can use your CD player with the main volume for the stereo just there. Beneath that we have our hazard warning lights and our stop and start, which you can turn on and off. And below that, the air conditioning. So you can adjust the temperature, fan speed and direction of the air. The air conditioning is on at the minute, so it's off or back on again. You can recirculate the air that's in the car. That's a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly depending on the temperature you've set here. And then we have a 6-speed manual gearbox. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Surrey Specialist Cars. We'd love to hear from you soon.